beautiful people, and welcome back to another video by our girl here, Big Bubbly Beauty. I get a few subscription boxes, mostly because I like the surprise that comes when things are delivered to you. And a lot of them have some fun self-care items that I never would have purchased on my own. This time, I'm doing single swag. Now, obviously, I'm very much not single. I am happily engaged right now, but that doesn't mean I can't get a box full of self-care, self-love items, right? And so single swag comes, I believe, every month to you. It's a subscription box like any other. I'll put the price in the description box down below. And so, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm pulling out says Madeline Elizabeth on it. Ooh. And it's this gorgeous bracelet. And so it says it's the Madeline Elizabeth Fern Vine bracelet. Estimated retail price at $65. And it's finished in 18 karat gold. And the chain measures 7 inches long and a 2.5 inch extender. Just looks like that. Just quite pretty. I like that a lot. Now, as you might have seen with my box from before, my Cause box, I have quite large wrists. So let's see if this one might fit me. And it does. It does. Now I can't do it up on my own because I am not that talented, but it would fit me. The extender definitely provides enough so that it would actually fit my wrist properly. And so, yay, I can wear it, and it's just this gorgeous, delicate fern design on it. And I really like this. Let's see what's next. Aww. So the next thing is a dish from Kevia. And it says it's the Kevia Style Love Jewelry Dish. Estimated retail price, $22. And so it's got this little filigree that says love, with a little arrow going through it, which is really cute. And they say that the message is supposed to remind you to love yourself every day. Now, I don't actually own a jewelry dish, so this will be perfect for my new house. It's so cute. So this is Self-Mane, spelled M-A-N-E, 3 eye gel packs. And so it's to reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. Okay, they're the little, like, they almost look like kidney beans that go underneath your eye. And so these were an estimated retail price of $15. And so I forgot to mention it before, but for those of you who are wondering about this scratch on my chin, it's from my puppy. But it's because someone came to our door, rang our doorbell. He freaked out because he had to go guard the house, and we didn't want him attacking the poor little kid who was selling cookies to us. So I picked him up to bring him over to the kitchen, and he was just flailing about and caught me on the chin. So it was a complete accident. I just figured if you guys were curious or wanted to know just for my health and safety, it's fine. Ooh, hand cream, which is awesome because my hands are so dry. So this is in Oliva Pharmacia, deep hydrating experience to calm and moisturize palms, tips, and cuticles. It's a hand cream, and it says it contains extracts of Italian olive oil. And this is an estimated retail price of $22. It smells interesting. It smells almost spicy, like food in a way. It's got a nice kind of light scent to it. I don't know how to describe it though. I like it, actually. My hands get super dry in the winter, and when I'm at work, I have to use hand sanitizer a lot, and that dries my hands out so badly. So this is going to be perfect to fit in my bag and come with me to work. And it's mild enough that I can actually wear it at work, which is nice. So next is this Oriza Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips, and nails. Ooh. It says it's developed as an all-purpose skin and lip balm with UVA and UVB filters for sun protection, and it's anti-inflammatory as well. It also has like a nice light scent, but there is actually a little thing in here, so let me get that out. Yeah, it's still a nice light scent, which is nice. Let's try it. Oh, that's nice. It feels really moisturizing, but it's not tacky like a lot of like jelly type lip balms are. I mean, you can tell it's on there, but it doesn't feel bad, so that's cool. And this was an estimated retail price of $16. So the next thing up is this Ultra Precision Liner. This is the Deuce Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen, estimated retail price $22. It says it's a highly pigmented, waterproof pen. It says it won't smear, flake, or budge and glides on smoothly. So it's not actually like a gel pen like I'm used to. It's an actual like pencil. I really like the ones that are like, they almost look like Sharpies for your eyelids to put on eyeliner, because I don't like applying pressure to the tops of my eyes, and I don't really wear makeup that often, so it's just kind of nice to kind of go whoosh and be done with it. Oh, that applies on really nicely though, I take it back. Look at that. That was super smooth and easy. Wow. Okay, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. The only downside I would say that this thing has is that the cap doesn't like to go on very well. Ah. Next up are coconut butter cookies. I mean, who doesn't like cookies? Don't tell me you don't like cookies. Just don't. I don't want to hear it in the comments. Don't tell me you don't like cookies. Anyways, so this is from Lark Fine Foods coconut cookies, and it says about 3 servings per container, and 2 cookies is 140 calories. And it's saying that Lark cookies for grown-ups are made with the finest natural ingredients and feature innovative flavor combinations that especially appeal to mature palates. They are wholesome, indulgent, and still make your taste buds dance. So this one, it says it's rich and buttery, loaded with toasted coconut and a hint of rum. That's where the adult part comes in. And these are an estimated retail price of $5. And it says that this brand is 100% women owned. That's awesome. I'm excited to try these. Aww. Oh my god, it's so good. It's like a sugar cookie and a shortbread cookie combined. And it's really sweet, but it's got a hint of coconut in it. And it's just, this is so good. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna put that away before I eat them all while I'm on camera. And we're down to the last item in the box. So this is an Ava and Chris Meg Ruby Red Snake Purse. And it's an estimated retail price of $38. So it's just this tiny little clutch-like purse. And it's got this little chain here. It's quite a tiny purse for such a big chain. I would have expected it to be more of a wristlet than this, but I suppose that worked. Okay, beautiful people, well that is everything. I did actually manage to get the bracelet on by myself, and oh lord is it pretty. I love this. So that is everything that is inside this box of single swag. As I said before, I'm not single, but that doesn't mean I can't enjoy the products. So before you all go, I wanted to say that I plan on uploading life and style videos every Saturday regularly, as well as on Wednesdays occasionally, if I have some extra videos that I want to share with you. And so that's my regular upload schedule. In terms of my K-pop music video reactions, I will come out with series, and I will also have days where I react to music videos as they come out and as they're new. But just for those of you who are wondering what the schedule is for the different things that I have, that is about it. I hope you all have a wonderful day, beautiful people, and bye-bye!